I'll tell you some stories in a minute, but okay. Kids are playing here and we're gonna walk down this a little bit and show you more of Chongqing on a day 3 when I thought I was gonna be in Chengdu today. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so you got a street musician over there. And we got this guy passed out right here. And we're just gonna walk around. This is basically I'm kind of over by a train station and I was trying to get a train to Chengdu and spend the day in Chengdu, but I couldn't get it. It's all sold out until 4 p.m. but I wanted to come back same day, so can't arrive at 6 p.m. and then turn around and come right back. So tried to get one down south for tomorrow, but all those were sold out too. So looks like I'm in Chongqing no matter what for a whole other day. And tomorrow I'm actually going to go to Zunyi. So, and today I'm just gonna check out this little area today. This is where one of the train stations is at. And another day in Chongqing, different spot. Just try to tell you some stories later. Okay, so there's some stores to the left. Hello. And we have some stores to the right as well. And basically this is kind of the center of this area. So I have it labeled here so you can know. And we're just gonna walk around. There's like quite a lot of activity around this area, this whole city. And I think we're gonna go check out this water thing. I'll tell you some stories in a minute, but one of them is I saw two people from the United States. So they're actually from Detroit, African American mother and son. Son's working teaching English here, so it's kind of cool to talk to them for a little bit. So I was really glad I was able to find other foreigners here, let alone from the same state as me. So okay. Kids are playing here and we're gonna walk down this a little bit and show you more of Chongqing on a day 3 when I thought I was gonna be in Chengdu today. Okay, we're just gonna walk around. There's some large monuments. This is all kind of like one big walking area, so I'm gonna try to take a train and go somewhere else. So. But there's a lot of interesting spots in Chongqing for sure. Some nice statues and trains. Okay. More of Chongqing. And we're gonna try to take this big welcome thing right there. You try to take this metro line. You go to this other part of the city. This is kind of inside the station, but it's kind of cool because they have all these shops and there's all these kind of old style stuff, kitchens, Sichuan food. It's all kinds of little places just to grab a quick bite to eat on your way to somewhere else. Yeah, we just came down the stairwell, but yeah, we got everything here. That looks pretty good too. We're gonna head back down further. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.